Hey, who's ready for another potato recipe? If you're on the Starch solution, I hope you said yes, because I'm going to be showing you a really easy potato casserole, so stick around. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN and I follow the Starch solution. I've been following the Starch solution since January of 2020. If you'd like more information on the Starch solution, I will leave a link to Dr. John McDougall's book, The Starch Solution, in the description box below. On my channel, you're going to find quick and easy whole food plant-based recipes that are also gluten-free because I do have celiacs. And if that all sounds good to you, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday and Saturday. You can also follow me on Instagram at Chew on Vegan. And if you're new to this way of eating or just feel like you need some more support, I started a Facebook group. And there you will find recipes, inspiration, and support. I will leave a link to the Facebook group in the description box below. And if you're still not convinced that a plant-based diet is right for you, I have written a little e-guide that will help explain why a plant-based diet is right for you. I will leave a link to that in the description box below. So today I'm going to be showing you a hash brown recipe. It's going to be a casserole with my cheese sauce, and I'm going to be adding a few other things to it. You've probably seen quite a few hash brown broccoli cheesy bakes on the internet, on YouTube, and I hope mine's a little bit different and you'll give it a try. So let's get started. Okay, so in this bowl I have a 20-ounce bag of hash browns. I have the Trader Joe's hash browns, which I have just found out they have added dextrose to their potatoes, so I'm going to be looking for another hash brown because I just like potatoes in my potatoes. Then I added 3 cremini mushrooms sliced, some broccoli, about 2 cups, and then about a half a cup of chopped onion and a half a cup of frozen mixed peppers, yellow, green, and red. Now we're just gonna stir this up. Probably could use a bigger bowl. In fact, I'm gonna go get a bigger bowl. Now we got a bigger bowl. Oh, much better. Now I can just use my hands. All right. Then we're gonna add some of my plant-based cheese sauce. This is about a cup. We're gonna add more, but I just like to get it started. And if it's been in the refrigerator, you want to maybe heat it up. I just put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And then we'll just get this mixed in. You just want to make sure there's cheese on all the potatoes. Now I'm not adding any salt to this. I will add it at the end if needed. The cheese sauce has salt in it, so I think it'll be okay, but you can always add it at the end. So my oven is preheating at 400. It is preheated. And then I've got a 9x9 pan here. And then we're just gonna get this all in here. All right, want this as even as you can. And then we're gonna add another cup of cheese sauce on top. So a total of 2 cups. And then spread it around. Then we're gonna put this in the oven, 400 degrees for 40 minutes, uncovered. Look at this. Oh, it looks so good. See all that broccoli? There's onions in there, mushrooms, a little bit of red pepper. So good. And then all that cheese sauce running through it. So let's give this a taste. I mean, what a great use of frozen hash browns. It's hot. Oh, goodness. So good. I don't think it really needs any salt. It tastes perfect to me, but of course if you feel like it needs salt, now's the time. So I think I need one more bite. I want to get a mushroom in there. It is hot. So good. And if you wanted to broil it at the end, get a little bit crispier on top, that would also be a great option. This would be really good for a brunch or, you know, for your family on Sunday morning or something. Really satisfying and filling, really hits the spot. I hope you like this recipe and you'll add it to your rotation. I know it's in my rotation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It helps my channel grow, helps my channel reach other people. And we want to get the word out about this whole food, plant-based, no oil lifestyle that is great for your health and to lose weight. And as always, I like to remind you that all my recipes are good for you. They're good for the animals and they're good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. Until next time, thank you. Okay, cut. I can't stop eating this. Have it on a plate. Okay. Oh, I think I need to stretch. This is unbelievable. Okay. This is friggin' painful. Okay, I think that's good.